Iran is going to lose its influence.
I mean, I suppose some people are suggesting that it could also be an attempt to be more friendly with Iraq in order to be more friendly with Iran. Is that stretching it, do you think?
To me, this doesn't make any sense. I'm not surprised that actually the Saudis are interested to get out of this conflict, because over 2 years has passed. This war has cost the Saudis billions of dollars, and at the same time, so far they have not been able to meet their strategic objectives. In fact, they have not been even able to secure their borders, and every single week dozens of missiles are still fired from Yemen to Saudi Arabia. So in every sense of the term, it has been, a very problematic mistake to kind of enter Yemen. But at the same time, I can't see why they should kind of approach Iraq to act as a mediator, because as we already know, Iraq is a very, very close partner, is a very close kind of ally of Tehran. And if you are effectively looking for a mediator, you should look into a more neutral kind of actor in the region. Maybe Oman or Kuwait would be, or even Pakistan would be kind of better options. So I'm still not sure about basically the nature of this news.
On the issue of the Crown Prince supposedly saying that he wants out of that 2-year war, as you mentioned there, what kind of way out is there beyond just kind of stopping entirely? Is there anything else that can happen that would essentially be a face-saving way of getting out of it, if indeed they need a face-saving way out of it?
This is exactly the point, because, I mean, he's in a very, very problematic position at the moment, because, after all, invading Yemen was his signature foreign policy. He tried to kind of build his image, his legitimacy, by a successful campaign in Yemen, and that has proved to be disastrous in every sense of the term. So if he stays in Yemen, he's going to lose, and if he gets out, he's going to lose as well. So it's going to be a very difficult position, and of course it's not going to be a kind of sudden and rapid decision to kind of leave the country, because he has to kind of create the right context to get out of this conflict, which a lot of people regard as the Vietnam of Saudi Arabia.
Dr. Afshin Shahi, thank you very much indeed for your analysis. Thank you.